Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 29th March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 29th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for the 30th March. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead on the market. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I would like to mention here that instead of just providing the buy and sell levels, I try to explain the levels and where you should buy, why you should buy, where you should sell, and why you should sell. I try to explain because the main motto of this channel is not to provide signals. The main motto is to educate you, to make you an independent trader so that you get to learn and execute in your own trades. So this is the main motto of the channel. That's why my videos are boring and long. Okay, hopefully I've understood the main purpose of this channel, so please do cooperate. And thanks for showing so much support. I have made around 462 subscribers in 3 weeks, and thanks a lot. Anyways, and if you're watching my videos for the first time, then click on the subscribe button again. Anyways, let's jump to the chart. As you can see, right now market is trading at 0.6996. This is the last traded price of the market. As I mentioned, 0.7100, 0.7100. In my previous videos, I mentioned that this was a very strong support for the market, and once market broke this strong support, just look at this sharp fall. Okay, so right now market is under the influence of sellers. Okay, and you can see here market tried to take some support and market went up, but just try to understand the chart, just try to understand the market psychology. Okay, just look at these candles and just tell me, does it look convincing? Okay, these candles are not convincing. Okay, these candles tell us that yes, buyers are trying their best to go up, but they lack the power, they lack the steam to take the market upward. Okay, so right now, as the market seems to be in the seller's territory, so we will be looking for shorting opportunity mainly. So first opportunity or first place to short the market will be this 50 MA. Wait for the market to go up. Okay, first position is wait for the market to go up and take or hit the resistance level. Okay, once it hits the 50 moving average, just observe the price. If you see that 50 moving average is resistance or providing resistance to the market, not allowing the market to go up, if you see the price is struggling near the 50 moving average, then it will be a clear indication to us that yes, 50 moving average is a valid resistance for the market. In that case, you can short the market just below the 50 moving average. Okay. On the other hand, you can see that I have also drawn a line here, 0.6943. Okay, though this line looks like a support, but I have written this in black, black, because this is not a proper support. This is not a prominent support for the market. Okay, this is just the point from where market has gone up or tried to go up. Therefore, the second position to enter into the market or short-term market will be below this level, 0.6943. In case market fails to go upward or to the 50 moving average and market slips, okay, market slips, then wait for the market to cross this level, 0.6943 level. Once market crosses the level, okay, once market crosses this level, just try to understand the market psychology. Just try to observe the price. If you see that yes, sellers are dominating the market, sellers are in pressure, they are controlling the market as of now, then you can short the market below this level. So first level is 50 moving average to short the market. Okay, and second level is 0.6943 level. These are the levels that you need to keep your eyes on for NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar US dollar for 29th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.